It's yummy, tasty, funky, fresh, it's the Roddy special!
Tonight we're making steak and apple pie, homemade sugar crust pastry, mash, carrots and beans. Alright. What we've got here is flour, salt, 1300 grams of flour, pinch of salt, 50 grams of butter, room temperature, cubed, chilled, cubed. I'm just rubbing it into my fingertips trying to hide. And what I'm going to do is add water, just bit by bit until it forms a dough. Stretch it out and grate some frozen butter onto it. Just into the center. This is what I think it should look like. Oh, it's so shit. Just go rolling. I'm gonna grate the butter. Yeah. Okay, for this pie I'm going to do a basic mirepoix of carrots, onion and celery. I'm just going to do a rough chop and then sweat them off with a little bit of oil, and that's going to be the base of our pie. For the carrots that I'm going to put on the plate next to the mash and the pie, I'm just going to cut them up into like nice little shapes like that. Move, like that. You know, it just makes it a little bit fun, a little bit more exciting. Wait, shit! Alright, so to do the beef, we're going to give it a coating of flour, and that's going to make a really nice crust on the outside, and then when you put that in with the vegetables, it's going to slowly peel apart, and it's going to create a really nice sauce around it. Flour to stay in there, you just want like a nice coating like that, look at that. Like, exactly. Are you happy? You actually don't. Right. Beef is done in the same pan with all the crispy bits in the bottom called fond. We're going to make the gravy. A little bit of butter, a little bit of oil, onions, garlics, let that saute off, and then we'll deglaze with some other shit. Why not use your potato skin to make chippies?
Shit, 3 at a time, right? That's what they do at Waters.
We're nearly ready to start with the actual pie process. Yay! It's the ale pie of time for steak. Time for the ale pie of the steak and ale pie. Got a nice dark island dark ale. I'm gonna let that come together for like 5 minutes, not even that, 2 minutes. Chopping the potatoes for the mash. Here's a rule. If a vegetable grows underneath the ground where it's cold and dark, you need to put it in cold water with a lid, just like it's cold and dark, and bring it up to the boil. If it grows above the ground, like green beans or something like that, where it's hot and bright, already boiling water, no lids. That's a little tip.
Nice.
Politicians are on cats. Okay.
Is that right, sir?
Time for this. Look, we're doing mushroom stew.
Mushroom stew? I thought we were having pie.
For the accoutrement, I got some green beans.
What is it?
You'd be so quick to judge before I drop it on the floor. You got a mashed potato, you got a knob of butter, big knob of butter, big knob of butter. some milk or cream if you have it, salt, pepper, and this nutmeg is the secret weapon. Fuck's sake, man. Blend it. Pie is now done. Oh. Pie time for bloody pie time. Homemade short crust pastry. Underneath that we got a lovely beef stew with some mustard, nutmeg, mashed potatoes, crispy potato skins, green beans, and we got mustard and honey fucking carrots with gravy.